What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I have something really special for you guys here. Really cool. This is my Teeny Whoop. Now this thing is a really tiny whoop. To put it in perspective, this is my original Tiny Whoop. And so let's see, I gotta put this transmitter down. This is the transmitter that I have to fly it with, unfortunately. But check out these two guys. So this thing is pretty small, a lot smaller than a Tiny Whoop. And let's show both sides of the spectrum. We got whoops bigger than this even. This is the ET115. You guys know we have one even larger than that, the 125, but it doesn't have the rings on it, so it wouldn't look nice for the perspective. But anyhow, this thing flies really nice. Now, it had some problems at first when I first built this thing. It had some problems lifting the camera. It didn't have all that much power with the camera on it until I pulled this guy out. This is a fun little quad that I like flying indoors, one of my indoor flyers. My favorite indoor flyers. Brushed models are coming up soon, but this is one of them. And I was flying this and I saw that it had the same type of props in there. And so I was thinking maybe this would help, these props, because this thing is pretty large, pretty heavy, substantially heavier than that one. And so I just thought it'd be really cool if these props fit on this one. And so as you can see there, they do fit. They ended up fitting, and they're a lot more, the blades are a lot more thicker than these. So it gave me the boost that I needed to get this thing in the air, flying like a normal Tiny Whoop. It can even do flips with this setup here. It's really got enough power to go with that. Started out with one of these and ended up like that. And it's a really nice flyer. I really love it. The only thing that is lacking is a hobby grade transmitter. As of now, this protocol hasn't been deviated. Oh, this is the Eachine E012, by the way, in case you guys didn't know. But I know you guys want to see how this thing flies, so let's go check out the Teeny Whoop. So check out how much power it has. So pretty nice power on it. This is it in low rates. This is mid rates here. So you get quite a bit of pitch on it. And this is third rate. It has 3 rates. That's the yaw speed, side aileron, forward pitch. So this little guy is awesome. Check out how fast it flies. So it can handle this camera with no problem. It even can do a flip. Let's check it out. So it can handle flips with this. Gives itself a little bit of boost of throttle. The Teeny Whoop. Look at a funnel from it. Nice funnels. So this little guy is tiny. Okay, so let's check out some FPV from this little thing.